Okay, so the way to get us started with this is it's a one-off fee for just to set it up, and that's $100. And that's it. After that, basically, because you have the subscription, it's going to be included in that. It's just the setup fee. Now, a couple of things. So we are only handling the booking, so we are not doing anything about your calendar, how you set up your calendar, how is it sync with your Jane calendar and those kind of things. But just couple of tips on how I would go about it if I want to set it up for an agency or for someone that I'm helping. I would definitely make sure that I go through this guide to set up a Google Cal sync with the Jane calendar, and then use that Google Cal to uh, basically avoid conflicts inside GHL. And the reason that even with my integration, I still prefer using this Google Cal way because it is way more seamless and it's way more what you call it, better in blocking times and stuff rather than kind of like waiting for the GHL to get that appointment booked and those kind of things. 'Cause this actually sees further into the future than my integration. So I would do it this way. We've done it like this for other agencies. So this is just to clarify to make sure that you guys actually get the best out of this thing. Now, the next thing is basically going to be pretty simple from you guys. So you can have any type of trigger that you want. However, you need, sorry, not any trigger. The trigger needs to be when a customer books an appointment or the appointment status has been confirmed, because this is the only trigger that gives us the appointment start time and end time. So this definitely needs to be this trigger. If you use another trigger, it's not going to work. And then it's going to be a webhook with we're going to give you the URL. Once you sign up, we're going to give you the URL. You put it in here, and then these are the only things that you need to send us. So a staff member is pretty obvious. You just basically add the email of the staff member that you have on Jane. The email would be there, should be exactly the same as what they have on their profile. Now the treatment name, as you can see, it's a little bit long, and the way that it works is it's the name of the treatment, and then spaces in the parentheses, it's the group of the treatment, and then again spaces, and the last parentheses is the duration. Okay, so for example, if I bring this up, so in this case, if I want to use this one, for example, this evaluation, if I want to use this one, it would be, the name would be evaluation and treatment, exactly like this. And then the group is John Akenet in parentheses, and the duration would be 60 min in parentheses. So this is also super important as well to have it in this format, because that's how we can actually book them with the proper treatment. And the clinic location name, this is not mandatory unless you have multiple locations. If you have multiple locations, then you want to definitely make sure that you provide the name of the location in here, and the name of the location would be exactly what you provided inside your Jane. So you make sure that that matches as well. But that's pretty much it. So three simple things, which most of the time is going to be two if you don't have any multiple locations. And then that's it. As soon as you set this up for any of your calendars, so this trigger is basically, this is telling that if someone booked inside this calendar, do the rest. And the minimum things that we need to create a patient inside Jane is first name and last name. So that's minimum. We need those two. So if you have a contact that doesn't have first name and last name, because those are mandatory, it's not going to let us to create the booking. And yeah, so that's how you can get this thing rolling. Thanks. Bye.